Hello and welcome to our instructional video for the Alexander Universal Furniture range.
In this video, we will explain how using these base frames here, with the proper attachment, can raise everything from armchairs to settees to recliner chairs, riser recliner chairs, corner unit settees, beds single to king size, double divan beds, and even profiling beds are possible. The Alexander range consists of 3 different types of base frames, which all have the same adjustable height settings: 8.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 12.5 centimeters, 3, 4 and 5 inches.
The Universal Razor Mark I has been around for many years and is probably the most recognisable furniture razor. It is designed for use on armchairs and settees.
Our newest addition to the Alexander furniture range is the Universal Razor Mark II. It is designed for use with armchairs, settees, recliner chairs, recliner settees, and even riser recliner chairs. It is also suitable for hardwood or laminate floors thanks to this self-adhesive rubber foot, supplied with every razor.
The Mark II razor has also been independently tested for stability, strength and quality, and also holds our flagship furniture raising standard, M&A 5094.
The Universal Bed Razor will fit beds single to king size and fit even wider beds with the aid of our extender bar attachment.
Our furniture disc razor is mainly used to support the fifth leg for settees, raise corner unit sofas, or to easily provide support for the middle casters for beds, divan or otherwise.
All of our furniture razors are manufactured from high quality steel and as such have huge weight tolerancing. 635 kilograms is the maximum weight load per pair of razors.
When our razors are fitted, the chair is freestanding, can be easily repositioned, and is fully hoist or patient handling device accessible. For chairs, settees, recliner and riser recliner chairs, the razors are meant to fit front to back like so. This allows for full access front and rear of the chair for stand aids or other patient handling devices when the Mark II razor is used.
And for beds, the razors are designed to fit widthways across the head and foot, which also allows for stand aids to the side of the bed.
The golden rule of furniture raising is all previous points of contact that the furniture had with the floor before you raised it must be supported after you've raised it. A minimum of 2 linked frames will be required to raise any one piece of furniture, with 4 attachments, 2 for each frame.
To accommodate the wide variety of furniture legs and casters that most furniture is supplied with today, we have introduced a wide range of attachments to fit most types of scenario. The attachments that are available are the round cup for casters and small legs, 4 cm in diameter, 2 sizes of square cup, one to fit 4 to 7 cm square legs, another to fit 7 to 10 cm square legs, a flat plate attachment for modern style furniture with big wooden or L-shaped legs, a twin cup attachment for double divan beds, and finally a recliner and riser recliner attachment to fit most, but not all, recliner and riser recliner chairs. There are a few other attachments in the range designed for more bespoke furniture. All of the attachments are interchangeable for each base frame and can be mixed and matched to suit your individual piece of furniture.
In the following chapters, we will show you how to fit each of these attachments. In this chapter, we will show you how to fit the round cup and twin cup attachments. Going back to the golden rule of furniture raising, all previous points of contact that the furniture had with the floor before you raised it must be supported after you've raised it. This attachment is designed to fit chairs, beds and settees with these types of casters. It will also fit shepherd's casters and most other casters found on beds.
However, the cup isn't just meant for casters. It can also accept a 5 cm diameter round leg and also a small 2 cm square leg. To fit this attachment, there is no need to turn the chair upside down. Simply position the razor on the floor near to where the casters are located. Loosen the central hand wheel and adjust the length of the razor to suit. Lift the side of the chair and slide the razor into position. Rotate the caster like shown and lower into the cup. The long hand wheels should always be positioned so that they are pushing the casters outwards. Tighten the hand wheels onto the casters. The casters should always be rotated away from each other. Repeat this procedure for the other side. Now, tighten all of the hand wheels so that the razor is secure. It is important to remember to check the tightness of the hand wheels for the first razor we fitted. Now the razor is fitted and ready for use.
For double divan beds, we would always recommend using our twin cup attachment fitted into our furniture disc razor. To fit this attachment, you should first select the height option you would prefer. Beds can sometimes be heavy, so it may be necessary to remove any drawers or other heavy objects on the bed before fitting. You should fit the top and bottom razors first. Adjust the cups using the wing nut so that they are in position for the casters. Lift the side of the bed up, position the razor, and lower the casters into the cup. Tighten the hand wheels. Finally, repeat for the other side.
The twin cup can adjust from 7 to 14 centimetres.
In this chapter, we'll show you how to fit the square cup and three-sided square cup attachments. This attachment is designed to fit chairs, beds and settees with legs. They don't have to be square legs, they can be round, rectangular or even inverted pyramid shaped.
2 different size options are available. The AL083 will accommodate a 7 cm square leg and the AL084 will accommodate a 10 cm square leg. To fit this attachment, there is no need to turn the chair upside down. Simply position the razor on the floor near to where the legs are located. Loosen the central hand wheel and adjust the length of the razor to suit. Lift the side of the chair and slide the razor into position. Lower the leg into the cup. The long hand wheels should always be positioned so that they are pushing the leg outwards and hidden underneath the chair. Now tighten all of the hand wheels so that the razor is secure. Repeat this procedure for the other side. Now the razor is fitted and ready for use. The cup comes with 4 optional screw holes which may be used for additional security if required. This attachment is also meant for settees and beds.
The three-sided square cup is meant for chairs or settees that have inclined or sweeping legs, normally located at the back. Again, it comes in 2 different size options. The AL113 will accommodate a 7 cm square leg, and the AL114 will accommodate a 10 cm square leg. The front legs should be fitted with the appropriate attachment as before. The rear legs should be placed into the cup and positioned so that the hand wheels present a minimal trip hazard, like so.
When using the Alexander furniture disc razor, we would not recommend using the 3-sided square cup attachment.
In this chapter, we'll show you how to fit the Alexander flat plate attachment. This attachment is designed to fit chairs, beds and settees with large wooden legs, typically found on modern furniture. The legs don't have to be square, they can be round, rectangular, inverted pyramid or even L-shaped.
What these leg shapes all have in common is that they will all have a flat surface that is in contact with the floor. The plate is 7.5 centimeters square. The minimum size leg that the flat plate will safely screw to is 7.5 centimeters square. The leg can be larger than the flat plate. For L-shaped legs, the minimum length required is 7.5 centimeters either side, with a minimum width of 3 centimeters. There are 8 available screw holes to choose from. Only 4 screws are required to safely fix the plate.
Fitting this attachment will require the use of a pencil, bradawl and a screwdriver. The first step to fitting this razor is to turn the chair upside down. You should remove any objects or loose cushions before doing this. You may think that turning the chair over will be difficult, but it can be easily achieved by placing one foot at the base of the front of the chair and pulling on the backrest. Always check to make sure that you have enough room to tip the chair safely before doing so. Once you have flipped the chair, you should offer up the razor to the feet of the chair where you would like to fit them. Using a pencil, lightly draw around the flat plate and draw small circles in the screw holes that are best suited. Now remove the attachment from the base frame. Line up the attachment with the sketched out line and using a bradawl, make a hole. Now, using a screwdriver, screw in one of the screws. Repeat this procedure for the other 4 screws. For some hardwood legs, it may be necessary to drill a small 3mm pilot hole instead of using a bradawl. Once the screws are tight, replace the base frame over the attachment and again lightly draw around the other flat plate. Repeat the procedure of bradawling a hole and then screwing in, making sure to check that the base frame can still go onto the attachment during the procedure. Place the base frame over the 2 plates when ready. Once all the plates are screwed on, select which height option you require using the screw and plastic nut. Again, repeat this procedure for the other side. Now tighten both centre hand wheels. Once the razor is fitted and you are satisfied with the height, turn the chair back over again. And the razor is now ready for use.
In this chapter, we will show you how to fit the riser and recliner attachment.
Going back to the golden rule of furniture raising, all previous points of contact that the furniture had with the floor before you raised it must be supported after you've raised it.
You are always trying to leave the biggest footprint on the floor, as this gives the furniture the most stability.
This razor is designed to fit both recliner and riser recliner chairs, as well as recliner settees. All points of contact must be supported.
Before fitting the razor, you should make sure that the attachment is on its highest setting for the fitter's convenience. This razor is suitable for both manual and electric recliners. The first step to fitting this razor is to turn the chair upside down. You may think that this will be difficult, but it can be easily achieved by placing one foot at the base of the front of the chair and pulling on the backrest. Always check to make sure that you have enough room to tip the chair safely before doing so. Once you have flipped the chair, you should look for these types of feet or casters. Next, remove the feet using the appropriate tool, in this case a socket wrench. Your chair may look different, but the important thing to look for is that it has 4 points of contact with the floor. All of our recliner razors come with 2 different fixing kits, one for recliners and one for riser recliners. Select the right fixing kit for your chair. For a recliner, place the screw in the spacer and assemble like so. Now, fit the screw with the nylon nut provided where the feet used to be on the chair. For some recliners, it may be best to use the original screws that were removed from the feet earlier. The razor can adjust to fit most sizes of chair. Once both screws have been fitted, select which height option you would like using the screw and nylon nut. Now, tighten the screw and nylock nut, making sure they are secure before use. Repeat this procedure for the other side. Once the razor is fitted and you are satisfied with the height, turn the chair back over again. With the razor fitted, it becomes an integral part of the chair, and the chair still retains all of its reclining movement. For recliner settees, it is important to identify the total number of feet the settee has. It could be 4, 8, 10 or even 12. All of these points of contact must be supported by a razor.
Some of the feet may be too close together to fit the razor as normal. The attachment can be turned 90 degrees like so to fit these types of feet. 14 centimetres is the closest the feet can be together and still be able to fit the razor like this. For riser recliners, turn the chair over using the same method as before and remove the feet. Again, we are looking for 4 feet. Select the riser recliner fixing kit. This kit comes with 3 different types of screws which are colour coded. Identify which type of screw fits your riser recliner by testing each in the socket like so. Run in the screw, making sure to fit the spring washer. A spacer may be needed for smaller screws. Finally, tighten up. Again, the chair still retains all of its previous function.
For more information, please visit morrisonalexander.com.
Thank you for watching.